Let's take one last look at the stock market before November 6th. So Tesla is up $8.60, closed at 251.44. Post market up $4.45. So things are looking pretty good. You know, the stock market is looking as a whole. Look at this. Everything is almost green. So very strong day today. Let's take a look at what this means on the chart. So 238 is holding. So 238 is holding the support right here. So we are bouncing on support. We are even back into our bullish channel. We stopped exactly where we had support not too long ago, October 25th, 29th, and 30th. We had support at 255.17. Now that 255.17 is a resistance. This is how it works. This is how the stock market works. The same numbers are always used as resistance and support. So we are stopping right smack on it. This cannot be more perfect. So let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So break of downward resistance, very strong break, even a gap up on the 1 hour chart. Boom. Then we got stochastic over 60, and we also broke our horizontal resistance, which was there. Broke it, boom. You know, so on the 1 hour, this was the buy right there for a little bit of a swing to the next resistance at 255.17. And look at this. So we came close. So for 3 good hours, we remained pretty close, and then we kept it. But stochastic is still above 60. So we have that support right here, this long-term support that we have had. So this one. So this could mean that we should be bouncing on this tomorrow, if everything else stays the same. I cannot predict the future. I don't predict the future. I extrapolate the present. So if things change, then the extrapolation is not going to be good. If things overall remain the same, the extrapolation is going to be good. So there's no magic in this. But it's a lot better than investing blind just because a company is good. Oh, this is a good company. I'm going to buy that stock. Yeah, okay, but look at what's happening. Is it into a downtrend? If it's into a downtrend, don't buy. If it's into an uptrend, okay, you can buy. So at least look at that. So, very good day for Tesla today. So again, we are zigzagging between 238 and 273.79. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX, big move down today, down 6%. So we are still above 20, but 20.5. We had broken above 20.53, which we had a little bit of a hard time breaking above. And now we are pretty much right smack on it. I'm going to still put it green. Losing stochastic, so the strength is moving away so far from the VIX. Bonds, let's take a look at the bonds a little bit to see what they are telling us. The 10-year bonds, they have been climbing since September. So when the bonds go higher, the stock market tends to go lower. So we have some resistance right here. You see that we are climbing, and boom, boom, boom. We cannot break. 433. We cannot break this. If we break it, then this should tell us that this is going to continue. Now, so far, it looks like it has stopped. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So Dow Jones rebounding nicely. We had this big bullish channel, and it has been following that bullish channel quite well since May of this year, just following along. It goes above, comes back to it, goes above, comes back to it. Yeah, there was a little bit of a snafu here in August, then just bouncing along, and now boom, we are bouncing along. This is pretty nice. We are going to be able to confirm that this is really a bounce after we break 42.343 right here when we break this. Stochastic is not yet over 60, so there's a little bit of a risk element because of that. But aside from that, that's a pretty good day too. SPX bouncing, it did not break 56.71. It looked like it wanted to break it. I had bought a put right here, and I had to sell it because we started to go higher right here. So yes, I sold it at a loss. So yeah, stronger, and we are going back to the other side of the downward channel. We are still into a downward channel, but strong day today. We cannot deny that. Nasdaq also bouncing nicely on 19,938. Stochastic is not yet there, but strong day overall. Yeah, guys, this is 7:30, so nobody knows what is going to happen. Nobody knows. So let's reconvene tomorrow after the close to see how the market reacted tomorrow to whatever is going to happen tonight. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine. And as I say this, look at this. Tesla is at 260, so very, very strong post-market. So this is going to be an interesting day tomorrow.